Hi children, it's me Uma. Today let's move on to Science Chapter 5 Birds Part 6. Learning Objective: to know about feet and claws of birds. Introduction: birds have different types of feet depending on the place where they live. Birds that sit on the branches of trees, such as crow and sparrow, have feet that help them to hold the branches tightly. Their feet have four toes. In some birds, like sparrow, three toes are in front and one at the back. Woodpecker's claws. A woodpecker's foot has four claws, two facing forward and two facing backward. Here you can see the picture of webbed feet. Birds that swim in water have webbed feet. The three front toes are joined by a membrane. Ducks and swans have this kind of feet. Eagle's claws. Birds of prey like eagles and owls have strong feet and hooked claws so that they can hold the animals on which they feed tightly. Let's move on to practice zone 3. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. A. Eagles have dash claws. Correct answer is hooked. And B. In sparrows, dash toes are in front and one at the back. The correct answer is 3. And C. Vulture eats the dash of animals. The correct answer is flesh. And D. In a webbed feet, three front toes are joined by the dash. Correct answer is skin. And question number 2, identify the types of beaks of the following. So first picture is duck. So below that duck, write broad and flat beak. And second one, woodpecker. Woodpecker have strong and pointed beak. And last one is parrot. So below that parrot, write short, hard and curved beak. There are few questions here. Read these questions carefully and write your answers in your science note. Question number 1, what is the role of feet in sparrow? Number 2, write few birds that have hooked claws. And 3, write any 2 points about webbed feet. And 4, what is the role of hooked claws? Thank you children. See you in the next video.